Here are the 5 ways quantum computing can revolutionize the future. Quantum computing, a field that harnesses the laws of quantum mechanics to process information in entirely new ways, has the potential to revolutionize our world in ways once considered impossible. Although we are only in the early stages of quantum computing, the possibilities it offers are exciting and transformative. Here are 5 ways quantum computing could change the world of the future. First, processing booster data. Quantum computers are capable of processing large amounts of data at speeds unimaginable for classical computers. This means that complex calculations, such as those needed for drug detection, weather modeling, and financial risk analysis, can be performed exponentially faster. This could lead to breakthroughs in areas from medicine to climate science, making our world safer and more efficient. Second, crypto revolution. Quantum computing poses a significant threat to conventional encryption methods. Its outstanding computing power is capable of breaking current encryption systems and jeopardizing data security. However, quantum cryptography also offers a solution by exploiting the unique properties of quantum mechanics to create unbreakable methods of encryption. As quantum computing evolves, so will our ability to protect sensitive information in quantum secure ways. Third, advanced artificial intelligence. Quantum computing can improve machine learning algorithms and artificial intelligence. It can process and analyze huge data sets, accelerating the development of AI applications such as autonomous vehicles, healthcare, and natural language processing. Quantum AI promises more accurate predictions and decision-making, leading to unprecedented technological advancements. Fourth, drug discovery and materials science. Simulating quantum systems poses a significant challenge to classical computers due to the complexity of quantum interactions. However, quantum computers excel at modeling quantum phenomena, making them invaluable for drug discovery and materials science. Scientists can simulate molecular structures and interactions with great precision, which could accelerate the development of new drugs and materials. Fifth, supply chain optimization. Quantum computing can optimize complex logistical problems, such as supply chain management and route optimization. This can significantly reduce transportation costs, energy consumption, and greenhouse gas emissions. Businesses can achieve more sustainable and efficient operations while minimizing their environmental impact. Thanks for watching.